If you're an owner-operator or an independent contractor, the rising fuel costs are likely hurting your bottom line. So it's understandable that you're looking for ways to cut down on your fuel costs. Well, you're in the right place. Today we'll be talking about 7 maintenance tricks you can do to save money on fuel. If you're looking for some things you can do to conserve fuel while you're on the road, we've got a video for that too. You can find the link in the description below.
Hi, my name is Blake Hegberg. I'm an operations manager here at ATS. Today I'll explain some of the factors that impact fuel efficiency and tips to improve your mileage plus save money. Number 1, schedule regular preventative maintenance. Your preventative maintenance is to make sure your truck is running efficiently and making sure that you're getting serviced at the correct intervals. If your truck is not running efficiently, you're going to end up burning more fuel, obviously being less fuel efficient and causing you to pay more money. Number 2 is regularly change your air filter. Dirty air filters allow less air into the engine, causing it to be less effective and less fuel efficient. Dusty areas, if you're running on projects or areas that haven't seen rain for a while, will impact your air filter a lot more. Number 3 is regularly change your oil and oil filter. Never run past your due dates on your oil change. If you end up waiting too long, it causes your engine to work a lot harder when you're running older oil in the truck, causing it to be less efficient. Number 4 is regularly change your fuel filter. When your fuel filter gets clogged, your truck is running harder, it's not being as fuel efficient, and your truck will begin to have a surging problem. A lot of people don't realize, but you actually need to replace your fuel filter twice as often as you do for your oil filter. Number 5, switch to synthetic oil. Synthetic oil provides less resistance inside the engine, causing it to run more efficiently. Number 6, grease the 5th wheel top plate and do it often. At least do it every month, if not in between every few loads. You can buy a 2-ounce pack of grease at a truck stop for less than $7. My last but not least is number 7 is fix body damage. Your truck needs to be aerodynamic to ensure good fuel efficiency. Today's trucks are so efficient in their engine. Where you're going to get the most bang for your buck is making sure that you don't have anything that's causing any drag or causing extra wind resistance. So if you do have any body damage, fix it as soon as possible.
There are many ways to cut down on fuel costs, and a good preventative maintenance schedule will only help. If you want to put even more money in your pocket, check out our article on how to increase your truck driver salary, which we've also linked below. Thanks for tuning in to another edition of Over the Road on the Truck Driving channel. We make videos like this every week, so if you found this to be helpful, give the video a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you out on the road.